My name is Tim Adams and I'm with Engineered Corrosion Solutions, and part of installing a nitrogen generator is installing an air compressor. First thing we want to do is make sure the crankcase is filled up with oil. We want to make sure the dedicated power, either 208 or 460, is tied into the power supply. We also want to make sure the rotation of the air compressor is rotating in the counterclock position, and there's an indication arrow on top of the motor to indicate that. We want to make sure there is a minimum of a ½ inch piping between the generator and the air compressor, and ECS recommends installing an isolation ball valve between the two. We want to make sure the automatic blow-off is tied to a dedicated drain and plugged into a dedicated 120-volt circuit. And lastly, we want to make sure the air compressor is securely tied into the concrete floor using the provided hardware and isolation pads. If you have any questions, you can contact us at 314-432-1377 or visit our website at ecscorrosion.com.